My name is Patrick Konsul. I'm here at the Technical University of Munich at our campus in Taufkirchen, where we do our automated composite production. We use a seed AM FlexBot since 2019 because we have had a Clean Sky 2 project in which we wanted to print a mold for the aerospace industry out of high temperature thermoplastics, polyether ketone. And we needed a machine that was capable of producing a very large part in a very challenging material in a very reliable way. After a public tender, we selected the AM FlexBot for being the best proposal we could find. We use the machine mostly for aerospace projects, looking into tooling for composite production. For us, it's not just the research into large-scale additive manufacturing that makes the machine interesting. It's also the ability to make tooling for other processes and accelerate development processes by not having to wait for tools. If we can design it, we can make it within a week. The largest peak print we have made today is a mold for a flaperon we produced in the Clean Sky 2 project Combo 3D for Saab. It is 3 meters 10 in length and almost a meter high, composed of 2 shells and 6 cores, and has a total weight of about 850 kilograms. Working with Seed has been exceptionally easy. They have supported us with every issue we had almost within the day, sometimes within the hour. It has saved us a lot of time, saved us a lot of headaches. It's been great working with you.